Helium. There's Sailor. Oh, and there's Alyssa. Oh, Sailor.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't sound different. I don't sound different at all. Hi guys. I just came back from Tokyo.
So we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna fall. No, I'm getting the balloon. You guys already had one. Nothing. We're not doing anything.
No.
Here, Liz. Is there the two up front or something?
Yeah, and then I'll be the videotaker.
Is it up front?
Yeah, but don't get it yet. You can videotape.
Okay, we'll do it outside.
Wait, what do I do? Just find a little hole? Wait, hold on. Let's go out front. Let's go out front. Oh, we're still videotaping. We are?
So connect. No, we're not.
I
Are we
turn
here?
that video off and you make a new one because I want to be selfish. I know, there's really underneath. Ow.
Should I stop it?
Walk this way, but yeah. Ow!
Um,
That hurt. I know, you can walk.
how do you stop it, guys?
Just press okay.
I already did.
Stop it?
No.
Push the record.
Oh, the red button is a circle.